Hello, my name is Tanay Tiwari and welcome to Buzz This Week, a show that gives you the happiness of a half day. देखो छुट्टी पे मजा आता है, बट हाफ डे का अलग ही मजा है. ऑफिस से निकलो, कॉलेज से निकलो, कोचिंग से निकलो, स्कूल से निकलो, हाफ डे पर निकलते हो ना तो अटेंडेंस भी लग जाती है और काम भी आधा ही करना पड़ता है. खुशी होती है ना. आज हम भी वैसी खुशी लेके आए हैं विद क्रिकेट न्यूज एंड मीम्स राइट हियर ऑन द शो दिस वीक. धोनी सुपर किंग, टीम इंडिया गो डाउन फाइटिंग, England's yes to the Ashes, maybe, and the big guns return for Pakistan. Cricket is funny. No, in fact, life is funny. Once a talisman who could touch anything and turn it into gold, one of the best strikers of a cricket ball, if he hit on his bad day, if he hit a bowler for a six, that six would go out of the ground. On his good day, if he hit a bowler, the bowler would forget to bowl. And then he grows old, he strikes slower, his reflexes perhaps are not that fast. So, do you write him off? Do you? In a crunch game, MS Dhoni promotes himself ahead of a hard-hitting Ravindra Jadeja who's sitting in the dugout. This is a qualifier. It is a crunch chase. He promotes himself. It all could go so wrong. It could all come crashing down. But it doesn't. Because you can keep a king away from his kingdom, you can't keep him away from ruling. And rule MSD did. As I said, he's perhaps slower, he's perhaps not as fast as everyone would want him to be, but he's wiser, he's smarter, he's a slayer, and he slayed versus the Delhi Capitals. Took Chennai Super Kings to their 9th IPL final, and when he bats like that, Twitter had to erupt. That is MS Dhoni's magic. He just leaves a smile on everyone's faces. I like this line from a great tweet that I saw on Twitter, which said that you can take away from him his reflexes maybe. You can't take away from him the cricketing smarts. That is what Dhoni is. Hashtag जब तक धोनी है, तब तक game है. But who will join Chennai Super Kings in the final? I think KKR. Form देख लीजिए आप उनका. They've beaten RCB in the eliminator. Delhi Capitals, beware. What that means is we've seen the last of Virat Kohli leading an IPL side. We've also seen Harshal Patel stuck at that record. He fails to go past Dwayne Bravo's all-time IPL record of the most wickets in a particular season. All courtesy of rejoicing Kolkata, who rode high on a fantastic day out in the field for Sunil Narine. सबसे पहले ना lighting change कर दो थोड़ी. Nostalgic बात. Mumbai Indians as an IPL team is a force. They're those stoppers who are just good at everything. I mean, सबसे पहले 5 टाइटल्स पर कौन पहुंचा?
सबसे पहले मैं ही आया.
सबसे सॉलिड इंडियन कोर किसने बनाया? सबसे पहले IPL टाइटल्स की हैट्रिक किसने लगाई? Okay, sorry पल्टन फैंस, मजाक कर रहा था यार. But there's a larger point here. मैं तभी बोलूंगा लेकिन जब आप गुस्सा नहीं करोगे. प्रॉमिस करो पहले गुस्सा नहीं करोगे. Mumbai Indians. First of all, look at that squad. Look at those names. There's Ishant Kishan, there's the Pandya brothers, there's Pollard. With the ball, they have Trent Bolt and Jasprit Bumrah. With the bat, at the top of the order, they have Rohit Sharma, who's also leading them. This is a perfect T20 team. They've redefined how T20 cricket is played. And yet, MI, the moment you look at them and you realize आपके पास जो था, वो बड़ा बेहतर था. And I say था because there's a mega auction coming up. Teams will have to be dismantled, and with 2 new teams coming in, बहुत सारे retentions, बहुत सारे right to matches allowed नहीं होंगे, तो कल जो आपके थे, वो कल शायद किसी और के हो जाएंगे. But what a glorious era we've witnessed in the IPL with this batch of the Mumbai Indians, and it's just, I don't know, fan or not, but it's just sad to see them disintegrating. Something that was echoed by Hardik Pandya in his Instagram post as well. यार पता नहीं क्यों बुरा लग रहा है दिल से. First of all, tell me, have you recovered from that Shikha Pandey snorter? What a delivery that was. भाई साहब सच में लाइव वॉलपेपर ना फोन पे बैटरी खाता है, वरना मैंने कब का चेंज करके उस बॉल को लाइव वॉलपेपर लगा लिया होता. What a ball. I've not recovered from it. I'm sure you haven't either. And it was that kind of a series for India. That ton from Smriti Mandana, the bowling spells from Julian Goswami, the power play from Pooja Vastrakar. It had it all. Just jeet nahi aayi. it's just not transforming into results, but the kind of performances they've put on tours like that of England and now in Australia, all that we can hope for is for Team India to keep going from strength to strength, और यही performances बहुत जल्द matches भी जिताएंगे. Let me admit something today. I am that friend. I am that friend who will say, yes, of course, I'll come to that party. And then in the build-up to that party, I'll keep thinking, जाऊं नहीं जाऊं, आज नहीं जाता हूं, मना कर देता हूं, बहाना बना देता हूं, last moment तक यही चलता रहता है. I eventually go though. I'm Tanay Tiwari and I'm upset because the ECB is copying me. I mean, the back and forth that they've had with Cricket Australia on the Winter Ashes later this year has been immense. But of course, ECB had their own reasons. They had very tight protocols in Australia, very long bio bubbles. They were worried about their players' mental health and hence the back and forth. But now the ECB have said yes. Well, kind of maybe. They've said, yeah, we'll come, but it's conditional. They can still revoke the permission because the norms of COVID-19 in Australia are that stringent. But unlike that friend that I am, उन्होंने ना commitment को एक level आगे ले गए. उन्होंने squad भी announce कर दिया है. A squad that looks power-packed, has all the big names with a few missing. Ben Stokes and Sam Curran weren't considered for selection. Jofra Archer, of course, has been ruled out for the rest of the year, so he's also not a part of that squad. But that looks like the big guns will go to England. जाओगे ना? पक्का? The Pakistan Cricket Board announced changes to their squad for the T20 World Cup in time for the deadline, which was October 10th. They've made changes. Fakhar Zaman, Sarfaraz Ahmed and Haider Ali have all been included in that lineup. They replaced Khushdil Shah, Azam Khan and Mohammad Hasnain. While Sohaib Maqsood, who's now ruled out because of a lower back injury, has been replaced by the veteran Shoaib Malik. Like good kids, Pakistan adhered to the deadline. Deadline से बिल्कुल पहले project submit कर दिया, but Pakistan, आपका समय आजकल सही नहीं चल रहा है. The moment they did that, reports suggested that teams could make changes as late as 15th October to their squads for the T20 World Cup. These are, of course, the Super 12 teams that will play the Super 12 group. But Pakistan, you've got a solid squad there. और आपके पास agenda भी तो है. पहला तो आपने घबराना नहीं है, और दूसरा
हमें पिंजा लगाना है इनको.
पिंजा लगाना है, वो जरूरी है. Your bus challenge this week. IPL final का week है. क्या होगा bus challenge? कौन जीत रहा है IPL? मैं कह रहा हूँ, मेरा दिल पता नहीं क्यों कह रहा है यार. पता नहीं क्यों कह रहा है. MS Dhoni, if this is to be his last IPL in the yellow, he's lifting that trophy. I just want to see him lift that trophy. What about you? Let us know using #Buzz this week, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. अपनी favorite team का नाम भेज दो हमें. That's all that we have for you in this episode of Buzz this week. Until next week, फिर देंगे हाफ डे की खुशी, फिर लाएंगे क्रिकेट न्यूज और मीम्स. हम हर हफ्ते आते हैं यार. आप भी हर हफ्ते आते हो, हमें पता है. अगले हफ्ते भी आ जाना.